guy here. It's Angelo's with Angelo's Edge again. Got an unboxing of a expansion external hard drive for the computer, 500 gig. Got it off of Amazon for $36. The computer I got is not the best, but it does what I need to do for what I'm doing here. But the hard drive I think is was only 128. So I got this. Haven't opened it yet, so I'm gonna experiment with you guys on how this all works. So let's unbox it. All right, let's see. So it's supposed to be a nice compact expansion pack. It says plug and play. Nice. Oh, comes nicely packed. Looks like a harder plastic. Okay. Here's the instructions and the cord. Oh, crap. I just thought of something. I am going to have to only go with one camera. Let's see. Yeah, because it wants you to plug it in to one of the USB ports, and I only got one USB. But anyway, so let's just do what I can do right now. So it has this thing here. Looks like you plug this in, and that goes there, and that goes into a USB. But well, we're gonna get rid of this camera up here, I think, so we could plug it in. So that'd be alright. So we're gonna, well, let's go over here first and show you this is on Amazon. What we see, this is actually what it was. 500 gig Kesu 500 gig slim ultra portable external hard drive. It's got I believe it was 4.3 out of 8,000 rating. So like I said, I just opened it up. We're gonna take a look at it. All right, so there's the info. I guess you could pause the video if you wanted. 3.0 ultra smooth. Okay. All right. Let's go back to the other camera here, and we are gonna, let's see, we're gonna unplug this camera here. Oh, wait, not that one. Let's see, I want to unplug this camera, and we're gonna plug this in and see what happens. You're gonna see when I do. We're going to go over here to see if it pops up. So, alright, we're going to plug it in now. I'm trying to plug it in. Oh, great. Select to choose what happens removable drive. So that just popped up on the screen. So it must recognize it. So there it is, D. So we're going to try to go to it. There should be nothing on it. It shouldn't be. So so we are going to figure this out. So I wonder if I take it. Let's go to videos I have. Let's try taking a video. Yeah, alright. Let's go to this video right here. Recording. Alright, so hey, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge again. Got a knife unboxing here. QSP Nokomis. We're gonna see if I can take this video and drag it to copy to case. Yes, let's try it. And it is copying it. Well, if that's as simple as that, that's pretty cool. You just copy it right to the hard drive. Alright. Feels like it's actually running. It must be actually a hard drive, and it's actually a real hard drive in there. You can feel it moving, like spinning. Alright. Feels like it's still spinning. I don't know. Maybe I'm just feeling it. Let's go to that drive. Now the file's on that drive. And boy, that was easy.
Hey, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge again. Got a knife unboxing here, QSP Nokomis. So we're going to unbox it. Before I start the unboxing, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge. Alright.
We're going to really take a chance here. We're going to go back to the videos. I am going to delete that from this computer. Right now, it's on here. I am going to delete it. I'm deleting it from the videos. Deleting, it's gone. Now I'm going to go to the external hard drive, and it's still there. And there it is.
Hey, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge again. Got a knife unboxing here, QSP Nokomis. So we're going to unbox it. Before I start the unboxing, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge. Alright, we're on with the unboxing. Alright, here we go.
Let's try another. See if it's just that simple. I go to my videos. Let's try. We'll go. I got a bunch of videos, so we will go to MP 7-minute long video right here, and it was a.
Right, I'm back again. I got him onto the medium stone.
Alright,
got it cut paper sharp.
Stop it. Close it. Come on, close. Sometimes I'm trying to close them, but that's my computer. No. Heck. Where's my X? There we go. Alright, we're going to copy this one. This one right here, the 7-minute video. We're just going to click on it and move to copy to the the hard drive. And there it goes. Simple as that. Wow, it is pretty cool. I'm going to let that finish copying. And you could feel the actual, it's actually moving. There's actually a hard drive in there. There's a disc. I could feel it. Like I said before. Took like, that was a 7-minute video. It took, I don't know, 15 seconds. So we'll go to the disk drive, and there's those two videos. Just pop just like that. Real easy. Good deal. So now so it's, they're on the I'm going to go back to this other, I'm going to unplug it. We're going to go back to my other camera. Alright. So, go this. Yep, alright. Oh, that's my frozen screen. Shit. Alright, well, that's the frozen when I unplugged it, so I'm frozen. Oh, everything's frozen. Dub screen. Let me pause this and come back. Okay, I had to hook my camera back up, but what can you say? That was pretty easy. Not hard at all. I didn't even use the directions. So I basically, here's the directions. Clicked the install guide. You plugged it in, and you plugged it in to your USB port. Went to your files. Basically, click on it. Drop it into the Kesu hard drive. Easy, real easy. And they have and I deleted the one file just to make sure, and it's on the hard drive. I put 2 files on here, so that's a 500 gig expandable hard drive, and it was not really hard to use. And they have different colors if you like different colors. They have a red, yellow, blue, and black. I just got a straight up black one. I don't know. There's not much else to say. It works. So I can basically download some of my videos I made onto here and clear up some space on my laptop. Alright. Alright, well, I can cleared, like I said, clear. It says Windows, Mac, Linksys, and it says USB 3.0 and 2.0. So I believe this computer here has a 3.0. So close up of it, but yeah, here's the, yeah, it's definitely, there's something in there like a hard drive. So I wouldn't bang it around. I could feel it feels like it's something like shakes a little bit, like there's actually a disc in there. So but here, it's actually really nice looking. There's it's kind of got a brushed look. It's plastic, but it almost have a brush, so it almost looks like metal. This is the USB 3.0 500 gig for the Windows. So here's they have different sizes. So like I said, I got the, oh, did I go here? Let me go back. Ding. I got the 500 gig Ultra Slim Portable. It says a compact for the PS4 too. I don't know. So, but they have all the way up to 1.5 terabyte for $57. But I got the 500 gig. So it's Amazon. So real easy to do. I didn't find it difficult at all. Didn't even use the directions, and I downloaded two files, 2 video files right to it, and I deleted it from the computer, so it's on here now. So, all right, well, that's about it on this one. So if you like videos like, well, actually I do mostly knife sharpening videos and knife unboxing and reviews, but I sometimes get into dabble a little bit in electronics and video games. Well, but this is kind of on the lines of I'll be utilizing this for my channel because I'm going to download my videos, and so I have them. So I've been lately, I didn't have enough space on my computer, so I was just deleting them. So now I can store them. So all right, well, like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge. And have a nice day. Bye.